Hello kids, welcome back to another video here at Rusty's Man Cave. I have here a 2011 Chevy Malibu, and I'm going to show you how to replace the variable valve timing solenoid as easy as 1, 2, 3. We're going to start by removing this plastic engine cover. You're going to have to remove the oil cap. Then you're going to have to loosen this up to remove this as well. And then you're going to need some needle nose pliers to remove this. Okay, and it should come off as so. Okay, now what that will do is going to give you access to the solenoid we're going to be replacing. And before you do anything electrical, you want to make sure you disconnect your battery. I'm going to get this clip undone. I'm going to press this in, pull it right out, and you're going to grab a 10mm socket with an extension, and then that bolt right there. You're going to loosen it. Righty tighty, loosey loosey. We're going lefty. After you loosen the bolt, you're going to go ahead and just pull it straight out. And here it goes. It's going to have some oil, so you want to grab a rag just so you don't get oil everywhere. We're going to compare the old part with the new part. That bolt is right there. Make sure these match up, and everything else. So this part looks like it's exactly the same, so let's go ahead and install it. Got the new part, so we're gonna move this upwards, and we're gonna place it in this hole right there, just like that. Make sure that everything lines up. Once everything is lined up, you're going to tighten out the bolt. Maybe about 1/4 inch of a turn. That should do it. Then you're going to grab the clips. Look at this one back here, and this one right here. And place your engine cover, plastic engine cover. You're going to put the hose back where it goes. You're going to put this and line it up with this, and then you're going to line up your engine cover so, and then you're going to get your oil cap and just put it back on, and that should do it. After you got everything nice and tight, we're going to go ahead and connect the battery cable. Now we're going to give it a start and see what she sounds like. Very nice idle, very smooth. Exactly what the engine should sound like. There you have it, guys. That's how you replace a variable timing solenoid on a 2011 Chevy Malibu. If you want to see more videos like this, guys, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that.